If you want to change what kind of content Twitch shows to you on your account, then you can easily change this by changing the content tuning. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually change that. So to do content tuning on Twitch, you just simply click your profile on upper right, and at the bottom, you'll find content tuning. This is what you first see when you basically sign up on Twitch, that you can choose your interest. It's the same thing. And so whatever you're currently seeing right now, you don't want to, you can always go ahead and just tune those, right? So you see before that I had these and I had a few of these options. Now I can change this to, for example, music and all those different things, right? So you can always go ahead and change them, right? So this is how you can do it. If you want to search for something, you can go ahead and change them as well. So for example, I want to type in football. I can go ahead and search for some football content on Twitch, and you will see that there is a bunch of different options available to you as well, right? So depending on whatever you want, you can go ahead and you can just search for it. There's a lot of stuff on Twitch. You can go ahead and to search for them. So basically, this actually helps you to tune your content. So whatever you're seeing, you can always go ahead and tune it to something else. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.